Did you know that SOLIDWORKS includes weldment profiles? That's the topic of today's mechanical tech tip from Design and Process. Let's get started. All right, I've got SOLIDWORKS 2023 open. I'm going to come over here to my Design Library tab, and if you pick here underneath the SOLIDWORKS content, and you come down here to weldments, you'll notice that there's a bunch of weldment symbols here. And you can see we've got ANSI inch, we've got ISO, we've got Great Britain, which is also used a lot for Chinese structures. And then we've also got Unistrut, Japanese standards, and etc. So for us today, we're just going to copy the one unit, which is the ANSI inch. And you'll notice when we hover over this, it's just a control click to download it. So we're going to do that. And we're going to pick a directory where we can find it. I like to do this where we just place it into a directory called SOLIDWORKS Data, and then create a weldments directory and then a profiles directory. And then we'll select that folder, and then the file will download, and it's pretty quick. And then we'll open up that file, and here it is underneath that same directory. And we're going to extract the file here. And we want to remove this last part here because it's going to add an ANSI inch subdirectory under there, and we don't want to have two subdirectories called ANSI inch. So we'll tell it OK. And then this will take a moment, usually 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll come right back as soon as this is finished. Once it's finished extracting, you'll want to go back into SOLIDWORKS and make a couple of adjustments. We'll go into our Settings tab, and this will be our System Options General. And underneath here, there's a thing called File Location. And we're going to come down and select the Weldment Profiles. And let's remove that so we can see how we add that back in. We'll tell it Add, and we'll pick on SOLIDWORKS Data 2023, Weldment, and Profiles. So we actually don't want to select the ANSI inch down below there. We want to select Profiles. We'll select that, tell it OK. Let's start a new part inch file. And turn on our Weldments tab. And let's start a 3D sketch. Start with a rectangle. Draw something out about like that, then do a line, bring that line straight down on the Y. We'll throw some dimensions on here. Maybe make this 60 inches by 24 inches by, say, 26 inches. All right, and we'll escape out of that and go to our structural members here. Let's pick some aluminum channel, and let's pick some let's see what we have here. We've got a bunch of sizes, so let's do some 4 by 2.5, and we'll select these profiles. And you can see we can do different kinds of corner treatments here. We can change everything to mitered, or we could change them to butt weld. And we can also individually control each one of these. Tell that one OK. And let's come around here and look at this one. Let's tell that one OK as well. There we go. I like that. And we'll select that everything is fine, and you'll notice that when we have these files in here, it automatically grabs the profile and does all this for you. So that's nothing magic, and when we cover some more topics in the future, we'll show you exactly how that happens in more detail. Let's throw in another structural member on here. We have this leg over here, so let's put that in. We'll use some square tubing, and let's do some 3-inch by 1/8 inch wall thickness, and we'll pick on this line here, and let's locate our profile, selecting it here, selecting that outside corner, Tell it OK. And then let's use some standard SOLIDWORKS features. Mirror the components, and we'll pick the, let's pick this mirror plane, and then let's pick this mirror plane, and we'll pick bodies to mirror. And that'll put all 4 of our legs on there for us. We'll tell it OK. And when we go in here to our cuts list, you can see we've got 2 of the channels that are long, and then the 2 short channels, and then the 4 square legs. So just a quick way to show you how to bring in all of those weldment profiles. And just like everything in SOLIDWORKS, everything is parametric. So if we double click on this entity and we change this length to 96 and then update, you'll notice it changes the lengths of everything, and we're good to go again. Hope this tech tip helps you out. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can visit our website at www.designandprocess.com, which is all spelled out. Appreciate it.